the Train XV10s. Got to start up the 3-ton unit earlier in the summer, but it's been over a year since I've done the 5-ton unit. I'll probably get another startup of that unit next year. Anyway, it is just after 3:45 p.m. on Sunday, August 30th, 2020. And it is hot as hell right now. It's about 90 degrees. There's the SM unit. It's been cycling pretty frequently, as you can tell there. This unit will not be replaced until next spring at the very earliest. Hopefully we can get it replaced by late March or April. Copeland scroll compressor. And this unit is almost completely out of Freon, so it does not cool at all. Like I've showed many times, those coils are corroded. See you on the next one.